What up guys, Alex here, GuitarForce.com. So today we're going to take a look at Before You Accuse Me. Now this song was covered by many bands and artists. We're going to take a look at Creedence Clearwater Revival's version. And it all thanks to Tom Linham, who has supported and requested this lesson, so big thanks goes out to him. Now this is going to be just a part of the lesson. The full lesson is going to be available for purchase at GuitarForce.com. Link is going to be in the description box down below. Also tabs and the backing track are going to be available on my Patreon page. And also I did a cover playthrough of this song. Hopefully YouTube will allow that. And I posted it on my other channel. The link is going to be also in the description box down below. So if you're interested, please check that out. For the sound, I was using the VST plugin Guitar Rig. I'm going to show you the picture of the preset in just a moment. The tuning for this lesson song is going to be standard, so no need to change anything. Just one thing to keep in mind, that the original track and the cover that I did also had a vibrato on the guitar. But for the sake of this lesson, I just played the clean guitar without the vibrato. So please keep that in mind. So while you are checking out the picture of the preset, here is my low E, so you can tune up and play along with this lesson. Alright guys, so without further ado, let's go for the close-up and start the lesson. Alright, so we're going to break up this song into parts. We're going to start off with the intro, and just before we start, just like to mention that the whole song is written in the E blues progression, so it's typical 12-bar blues. So we have the E, the A, and for the turnaround the B. Of course, it's played in dominant 7. And we're going to start off with the intro, which is played on one guitar, which goes like this. Okay, so I'm not going to be explaining each part note by note and string by string. You will see it in the tablature. Just I'm going to mention that the whole thing is the solos and these little licks are all based on the E minor pentatonic scale. And also sometimes adding the major third. Yeah, so it's a typical blues thing. So again, watch out for little things like little bends that they play. So I'm gonna play it one more time, just really slow. And the main thing here is to remember the melody, so it goes like this. Okay, so that is played on one guitar, then the whole band comes in, and we have two guitars going on there. So now, generally speaking, one guitar is just playing the chords kind of on the offbeat. The typical 12-bar blues with an upstroke playing these kind of chugs on the chords. And the second guitar, which is also played with, it has an effect on the vibrato. So it's playing a slightly different thing, so it kind of follows the bass line, so it's playing the bass notes. So kind of following the bass line there, but also adding little fills here and there. So we're going to be concentrating on that second guitar primarily, and you can actually play this song kind of using the Stevie Ray Vaughan rhythm for Pride and Joy, where he plays both parts at the same time. So he plays. So what he does is he plays the bass note first. and then it's followed by an upstroke playing these open higher strings, so kind of creating the walking bass line with the chords. But in this song it's played on two guitars, so we're going to be concentrating on that second guitar, which has a little bit more work there to do. So you know, we have a typical kind of walking bass where we have. Now we're going to break it up into sections because some of the sections differ from each other, and you can use all these variations to play when you play this song. So also another thing is to remember is obviously that it's using a swing feel, so we have the first note longer, second note is shorter, so it's a swing feel. Occasionally we're going to get triplets here and there, but I'm going to explain it where we get them. So starts off with the bass line, the first opening part. Now here, so you will see it in the tablature as well, but in the first bar we have this triplet, so it's played on the low E string, kind of a little bit faster as you can hear. Then we continue. Now we go to the A and we continue playing the same bass line. Back to E. Now we have this part, so here we start off with the low E, two low E's open, then we have, so it's again, it's a triplet, but it's a slide, like that, and then we have, so again hitting that double stop, and then going back again, 4-2 open, and then we go into the next bar and we repeat this lick for 2 times, so we have, then we go to the A again, the chord progression. Now here, this part, it's again kind of what we did on the E, but we do it in A. So it's a slide, it's kind of double stop from the second frets. So first of all we play again the bass line up until this moment, and then we have, so it's a slide, kind of double stop from the second fret to the fourth, and then just hitting with an upstroke the A triad here. So we have like that, then back again to the A, back to E, so we repeat this part with the slides as we did previously. After that we go into the B7, to the A7, and then we return to E and we have. So when we have the turnarounds, now there are a couple of ways how you can play this. So once you can play just the kind of chords, again with this swing feel and playing with an upstrokes. Or you can play it as a kind of typical 12-bar blues rhythm part where we have. And then for this part, so it's a little kind of feel that we do, and we're going to be using that quite a lot in this song. So it goes like this: open, low E, then we have, so the first note here, it's a grace note, so it's a quick hammer on. Then we do everything in triplets afterwards. So we play 3 of these notes. Then we have, and then we have. So open 4, open A, and then B chord. And we stay on this chord. So I'm gonna play through the whole section from beginning with the intro, the first 12 bars. So it goes like this, slowly. Alright guys, so that was it for this part. Hope you liked it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also comment, share, subscribe. If you would like to continue learning the whole song, link is going to be in the description box down below. Don't forget to visit GuitarForce.com for more guitar related stuff. In the meantime, I'll see you again. Take it easy, and as always, let the force be with you.